Good afternoon, it's JoJo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be getting very productive and just trying to get back to that growth thing now in the final week. So if you like where this is going, make sure to keep watching and don't skedaddle. Right now, I'm planning a few videos in advance with Bella as the sidekick over here on the side looking out the window. But I'm planning a few videos in my planner, my calendar. And I was just trying to figure out what to do for the next few months and what I can do to improve. I especially want to start doing short videos like I said I would. So I'm definitely going to use this to help me keep track. So it's like late in the afternoon and I'm just thinking like I just got done with classes probably like last week, maybe the week before that, but I just got done with classes and now I'm in the post-exam reset routine. I'm definitely going to record some more of this and do a video next week about it, the ultimate guide to post-exams reset routines. And I'm thinking of trying like new habits basically. And some new habits I think would be cool is just like not getting on my phone for the first hour. I've been practicing that for a few days and I've been feeling pretty great. I got this from Ali Thai. Ali Thai is like a business owner that I saw on Twitter. And she was saying how every morning, instead of getting on her phone for an hour, she would get on her Nintendo Switch. And I have a Nintendo Switch and I might as well use it. I start doing that when I get up in the morning. But lately, I just haven't been getting on my phone instead of using the Switch. I just want to try those new habits. And then I also want to start drinking water daily. I don't drink as much water as I want to. Drinking more water is definitely a reset goal for me. The main thing is water, reducing my screen time, and exercise. So I'm getting back into my exercising. It's been quite a while. I haven't been exercising. I think it's been about a year. So I'm just gonna like start off running on the treadmill for a little bit and gradually work my way up to like light weights. But I just got back into it and I want to start adding Pilates to it as well because I like Pilates, but it's so difficult. I don't know, Pilates and yoga, like they make sure, I don't know, it just does something to you. Like yoga and Pilates, like you say you do yoga and Pilates, like that's hot. No, but for real, if you say you do yoga and Pilates, like I know you're strong. Anyway, if you have any other habits that you guys usually do in the morning, let me know. I kind of want to try them out because I think I'm going to do a video about trying different habits.
하고 싶은 이야기가 너무 많아. 내가 많은 걸 잃어가지고 이걸 잃어버린 거지. 약간.
Are you really? The fryer?
Fries on, fries.
What fries?
She was cutting fries.
Oh, okay. See you later. See ya. See ya. Okay, whatever. I don't care anyway. We just went to QT to go get some blueberry slushies and they are so good. Hey Bella! Hi!
Here you go, Basil.
Hey. She snagged it.
I found an aerial.
I'm trying to get it done now. Ooh. Here is Din. Makeshift tacos with the blue shell because I like the blue corn better than the regular. It's good. So good. Y'all need to try this. And don't mind my lips. They're blue. I had a blue freezing. You know the drill. I'm about to take my last exam for the semester, but I can't record myself taking it because it's recording me and stuff, and I don't have time to deal with them thinking I'm cheating. So I'm about to take it. Wish me luck.
By DPR Live on Amazon.
Live. It's live.
Go. Go! What now?
So by the time you guys see this video, I'm like moved in back home from college. It's done. Finals are over with. So let's chit chat about it. For finals, overall, I did pretty great. I did that. I passed all of them. I had no troubles whatsoever. And I don't remember in my last vlog, if you guys have seen it, I talked about having a presentation and how nervous I was for it. And I ended up doing the presentation, and it wasn't as bad as I thought. Like, my heart was still beating up there, but the presentation was pretty good. I stuttered a little bit, but I mean, everybody makes mistakes, and stuttering is a natural part of human speech. Anyway, I did a really good job on everything. After that, I was pretty much ready to go. I moved back in my humble below. But I'm just so ready for summer. I redid my vision board because I felt like the one I did at the beginning of the year didn't really match with what I wanted. So I changed it up a little bit and I redid it, and now I'm totally ready for summer. I'm talking photo dumps. I'm talking about actually going outside. And if I'm being honest, I don't go outside that often, but we're gonna make that a goal to go outside more often. I went out last week. Well, I went out, but you guys will see in the video. I did go out with my siblings. I'm making that a goal to just go ahead and get that over with. For summer, I'm trying to get my skincare right, new products. I don't really use that many products. I only use like CeraVe, I don't know how to say. I only use the CeraVe like moisturizer and cleanser, and I use oils such as like rosehip oil, tea tree oil, and Vaseline for any slugging. My face is so shiny. I'm ready for the hot weather. Summer fashion. I'm ready for the summer fashion. I'm trying to post more on Instagram and I have like all these cute outfits on, but not just for pictures. I am there for myself. I'm there for the experience. I'm ready to go out, try new foods. I want to try so many new things. I'm ready for summer. Ready for it to start. I'm ready for hot girl summer. I'm ready for healthy girl summer. I'm ready for all types of summer. What is like one thing you guys are like looking forward to the most in the summer? I'm just ready for everything.
Wow. That was terrible.
You get that? Hold on.
Exactly.
No, I'm sorry. I just looked at this picture. Oh, and I remember when I see it. I'm sure. Crochet on her. I did. Long on her. I did.
Oh, Bella. Wait, where is she?
What do you mean?
Oh,
Shit.
she's right
me.
She's right here. She's under the seat. Like,
That way's gonna fly right on.
3 main tricks and tips that I use in order to stay motivated. First one is to definitely take inspiration from other people, whether that's on Pinterest, podcasts. I listen to a lot of different podcasts, and just listening to them and understanding, like, and just getting different inspiration for them, whether that's like episode ideas, video ideas, fashion ideas. Like, I just get so inspired, especially from different YouTubers, such as Jazzy Ann or Jasmine Lee. Like, it's a lot of different YouTubers that I like to watch, and I think it's really cool to just get inspiration from them. Try to recreate those videos in your own way, of course, and stay motivated that way. See where that person is at in their life and know that you can reach there as well. It may not be the same path as them, it may not be as easy as them or as hard as theirs, but you will make it there. Number 2 and 3 sort of correlate with each other, so I kind of put them together. But changing your mindset and pushing yourself to the limit. Pushing, cause we're in it to win it, in it to win it. Do y'all remember that? Okay, sorry. Changing your mindset, when I say that, I mean like not having that negative mindset where you're not optimistic, where you think negative things are always going to happen. If you think negative things are always going to happen, then negative things are going to happen. Understanding that, staying positive and staying true to yourself is one of the main things I think is the best for staying motivated. Staying motivated takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of work, but just knowing that you will reach that end goal will be one of the most satisfying things ever. And if you push yourself to the limit, you're going to stay motivated. But if you don't, then you're not. Because if you're not pushing yourself to do things, then things aren't going to change. Those were a few of my tips. Found that helpful? Let me know. I think I'm gonna make a longer video on this, and especially on like productivity, but yeah.